guys. Hey, welcome to another episode of Boosted Garage. On today's episode, we are going to be working on Mohammed's 93 FD RX-7. Last weekend at Power Cruise, we were dealing with some cooling issues. It got really hot. Tuner said it was okay. I don't think it's okay. We think that the thermostat may be impeding the flow of the coolant because it has a electronic water pump. Mm-hmm. So today we're going to take out the thermostat and trial and error the car to see if we can control the temperatures only with the water pump and bypass a physical thermostat altogether.
Right now our temps or our max coolant is at 245, but we still want to keep it around 210.
Oh, thermostat's right here.
Okay.
It's up here.
What size Allen do you need?
We don't need an Allen. We gotta put this bottom hose back on.
Oh.
We wasted effort taking that out. Effort. Is there a gasket on that, or is that just over seal in there? Okay, there's no gasket in there. We're gonna wipe that out. So we're done.
180 degree Fahrenheit.
Yep, it's a low temp thermostat, but
You know how to test if they work or not?
Yeah, in a T-car.
stick them in your bum.
I will not be doing that.
It's actually not a good way to test it. It's just a very uncomfortable way of testing it.
Yes.
And they never open.
Yeah,
They also never come back out.
yeah.
Got a one-way trip.
This is time lapse or
No, this is full on
Full
everything.
video.
Everything.
we're hitting it raw today, boys. We're hitting it raw.
I forgot we were recording, to be honest with you.
So basically, we're gonna run it with no thermostat.
Yeah, we're going to modulate the temperature.
You're not going to pump water into the whole time. No, just go. So these no, ain't gonna wait.
I got one.
It rotated and slid down there. Okay, no problem.
We're good. You hit the floor.
Yep. Small victories. It's the worst sound is when something doesn't hit the ground.
Yeah.
No. Oh no.
It goes over the cap.
Oh. Okay, that checks out. Oh, the bottom's wrong.
One of the wrong was bottom.
Got it.
It's the worst in the GTR. It's the worst because it's like
Everything's got a pan under it.
yeah.
Let's actually take this loose.
Oh, I see. I see.
So now we can slip it way further on here. Slip it up. Come on. Slide off. Bottom hooked up before we tighten anything up here.
Hold that.
I'll take it. trying to get that the blade popped on there.
That's good. It's
Why does
good.
that say air temperature? That's not an air temp sensor.
Sure it is.
I know. Oh, it's a joke. I'm playing with coolant.
Playing with violence.
Violence was never an option. Peace was never an option. Only violence.
Continue to monitor it, burp it, we do all that, and then yeah, we'll hop back in when we're ready for our first drive.
I feel like it's already doing better.
Yeah. I mean, given we were in direct sunlight the whole entire time at Power Cruise.
But still, it was like,
Yeah. It was like 180 immediately.
yeah.
It's fine. Like, it's creeping up, but
Well, let's give it a hit real quick. Somewhere. I feel like it's not as bad as it was. I think that's our ticket.
might be.
It's kind of just chilling, you know.
It's not. wow, that's
way better.
yeah, like
So what's the next town that we went to? Fast Prater.
the next like critical.
We went up on 317, 347. We went north. What was that other city that would turn around? Remember?
No.
We took it out of the road.
Oh, I see I see this one.
This one. Yeah. I feel like the amount of time it took to get from Prater to this wall is the same amount of time we've been on the road currently.
Yeah.
Traveling at around the same speeds, same loads, and we're at 195.
Yeah.
Where it was 240 before. Wait, this one. Top chair there. Yeah. Bro,
Oh, that was it.
we did it.
So our hypotenuse was correct.
Hypothesis.
I said it the right way. Hypotenuse was correct. So we removed the thermostat, put everything back together, filled it up with coolant, warmed up the car. Mohammed and I went for a test drive. The hottest temp we were able to get was 224, and then it kind of stabilized right at 219, 220 mark. And that was with probably 4 to 6 third gear full throttle pulls, mid boost. Came back, topped off the cooling system, and logged into the Heltec Nexus software. Adjusted some of the duty cycle curves on the electronic water pump, so it wasn't that one duty cycle all the way across the board. It's kind of got a ramp in it now, so as it gets hotter, the pump will speed up, and as it cools down, the pump speed comes back down. Kind of help regulate some of that temperature as a thermostat we do. So got all buttoned up. We're going to go pool. We are going to go to the pool.
We're not gonna be in the pool.
We're not going to be in the pool.
Travis is peeing in the pool.
I don't pee in the pool.
So, with
But
that,
and the coolant, I mean, the coolant leveled off. Like even after we parked it, like it
yeah, so
kept dropping.
the swirl pot did its job. The overflow, it kept sucking in more and more coolant. So
Yeah.
I think we got all the big major bubbles out of it. So that was our first major hiccup with the RX-7. We're gonna keep driving it, keep testing it, keep having fun with it, and as
Yeah.
more problems arise, you'll know when we know, and we'll fix them together. So, like, share, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. See you later.
Tuning.
Tuning.
New
Tuning.
tuning.